Hi friends, today I am going to tell you which supplies I use for calligraphy. It's a wood English calligraphy oblique holder and the nib is Hunt 56. It is also an oblique holder. It's a zebra G-Gold nib. It is Gillette 303. I use Winsor-Newton-Designer-Gouache-Color for calligraphy. For Gothic script, I use parallel pen. It has 6.0 mm nib width. It has different sizes. It's a 2.4 mm and it's 3.8 mm. I use Pilot mixable color cartridge. You can also use equal ink. It's a Zig calligraphy marker and its nib width is 5.0 mm. You can also use speedball nibs. It has series C0 to C5. You can also use glass pen for calligraphy. For brush calligraphy, I use Raphael brushes. Its number is 1. And I use Winsor-Newton-Designer-Gouache colors. It's a pentel touch brush pens. You can also use it for calligraphy. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like it.